Hello, today we're gonna talk about collision in Unreal Engine 5 and the types. So we start by going to our content, we go to our starting content, props, and we're gonna use this SM table as an example. So we open it and let's see our first type of collision is the simple one. So we have three simplified collision. We have also this, but that just simplify things. We go to the simple ones. We have the sphere one, the capsule, and the books. So we're gonna use the books one because it's look good on the table. I mean the better one. So as you see, it's simple. That's the collision. So we drop our table here. And let's test this out. So you can see the collision here. Applied. But it's not look good well because if you scale it, you can see that you can't go under it because it's simple. It's a box. Okay, so okay, yes. Let's see the another type. That's the first one. Second one is okay. Let's see. Move this. The second one is the auto-convex collision. So it adapts more because we can let's use the default one as our collision. You can see it use hops to adapt to our static mesh shape, and you can increase here and here, just play with this value around to give it a more as you can see here, and we can do a more to attach it to our shape. As you can see, we have here it's calculating. Okay, you can see now that it's really adapting. As you can see, that is the second one. But so as can you see here, the more we increase, the more it's adapting better, but it's causing more performance issues. I mean, you can't increase too much because it will kill your performance. So let's see our third one. Okay, let's remove the collision. Okay. Third one is we go here. You can locate it here, yeah. We go to our collision preset and we scroll here. Collision complexity. Okay, so as you can see, that I will show you what I mean. This is the complex collision. This is like the shape one. So it's not recommended what I do, but I will show it to you. We go to use complex collision as simple. So we use the shape one that we imported, but it is on our standard content, so it's already made as simple. So I think this method is the best one on the shape, give the best result, but it's really performance killing also. You can test this out. As you can see here, it look really good. But I don't recommend using this. And we have another method to use collision. So let's just remove our collision. Okay, we go here, project default, and here we don't have a collision. Okay, Another method is, let's create a new blueprint class. Okay, parent actor, and we name it vp slash underscore me table. Let's open our blueprint here. Let's attach it here, and let's do a static mesh. This is like a collision inside the blueprint. I will show a table, and we give it our sm underscore table. You can see here. So we add a books collision, and we can use it as the collision one. So we can move it like here, and we can play with it with its parameter. So we reduce here, we scale this up. I think we can use collision. Yeah, can we use the sphere one? It's better. Yeah, attach to our default scene here, and the sphere one. Let's resize it here. So we shape it from here, and we take it here. Okay, let's play this. Can't test it to know how it works. Okay, let's scale first, and then get it here. Well, it's don't look good, but okay, I'm gonna resize it. Uh yep. I think it's look awful, but just understand it. So we need to go. Okay, let's adjust it to our default scene root. Compile here. We go to our books. We search for collision. Okay, and we need from overlap all dynamic. We need to do lock all dynamic. Same thing for sphere. Block all dynamic, and we compile. And we need to use this as a blueprint. We scale it so you can see. Okay, let's test this out. As you can see, I didn't make it good, but you can understand how it works. You can scale more here. As you can see here, you can take your own books and make it. This is the final method. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. I will post a video on the left. Click it. It's about interfaces and casting and difference between them and optimization. It's really good. You must check it. So that's all. If you want more videos, subscribe to the channel and like this video if you want to help me to post more. And that's all. So see you.